As you're doing a merger, everything happens D-Day +1. So are the employees a good fit? Are the partners a good fit? Are the clients a good fit? That stuff kind of boils up as you get involved. Whether it's a client or whether it's an employee, they start showing their true colors, 30 days, 60 days, 90 days. Just get it addressed. It's a disservice not to get it addressed. You want to make sure the employee's happy, you're happy, and just put everyone, here's the guardrails, and if it works, it works. If it doesn't, send everyone on their way. As you're looking at a merger, all of a sudden you have two different processes that merge into one. Well, employees also. You might have extra admin. You might have, our last one, we had an extra controller, and we found a good role for that person. Same with the admin, same with the professional staff. Hey, I was reviewing at this level, but I could review here. And so you want to make sure that nobody's being doubled up, because you got to follow the standard operating procedure. Here's the process, and somewhere along there they fit, wherever they're at. As you're dealing with a merger, you want to make sure the clients are involved and the employees. What happens D-Day +1? The 401k, the health insurance, their payroll. The last thing a new employee wants is a pay cut. Make sure they're getting talked to. Make sure the 401k happens. Make sure the employee's payroll happens. If you pay every 2 weeks, you keep it going. They need to be safe, so that's not something they worry about. They should worry about the new employees. They should worry about their new process. Don't let them worry about benefits, because they take it home and that's where it festers. As you do a merger, DSB Rock Island, you definitely want to know, hey, here's the process. Well, where am I going now? I used to be this level and now I want to get to here, or I want to get to here. You should have a playbook that you can sit and talk to and say, gosh, this is what I need you to do for the next 12 months to get here. This is where, hey, you're in charge, you want to be a senior manager. These are the ways to get there. Make sure it's documented so they can look at it. Just like an employee manual, you should have that manual for the employee. When you're doing a merger, you don't want to have turnover. You want to make sure all the employees are happy. Get them front and center, communication, have them together, and just get rid of the surprises. They're in this new organization, but they're still doing the same stuff with clients. They're still doing the same stuff with their fellow employees. Get them tight into a new culture. Have a happy hour. Have something to have them, hey, this is the new firm.